Good morning, students. As we are studying the chapter rectification of errors, and yesterday we learned how to rectify the single-sided error after preparation of trial balance, and one question we have solved. Now, one more question I am taking from your book, in which the both single-sided and double-sided errors are. That is composite question of single and double-sided errors. So how to rectify that errors? Just see it and then try to practice on it. We will solve here two questions. That is question number 17. The trial balance prepared by a bookkeeper showed a difference of rupees 1006, which was placed in a newly opened suspense account and carried forward to the next year. The suspense account carried forward to the next year. Then, when the following errors were discovered: method goods purchased for rupees 99 had been posted to the credit of the supplier as rupees 990. 75 received as discount from a creditor was duly entered in his account but was omitted to be posted to discount account. Now see it one by one. It is debit amount, it is credit amount. Particulars, and number, serial number. Number one, goods purchased for 99 had been posted to the credit of the supplier as 990. In the account of supplier, it was posted 990 in place of 99. Mean excess amount was posted in the credit of supplier. So what to do? Supplier should be debited to suspense account. Then number one, supplier account debit to suspense account. Amount difference is 990 minus 99 we will do. Then it is 99 deducted from it. 990, see it, 990 minus 91. 9 891. Now 75 received as discount from creditors was duly entered in his account but was omitted to be posted in discount account. It is discount received. It is a type of income, it should be credited but was omitted to be posted in discount account. It was not posted in the credit side of discount account. It is discount received account. So here we will pass the entry for it. Suspense account debit to discount received account, rupees 75. Third, sale of furniture for 1400 had been entered in the sales book. It is double-sided. Sale of furniture, in place of furniture to be credited, sales was credited. So correct it. Sales account debit to furniture account. The amount is 1400. It is double-sided error. So no suspense account is used here. Suspense account is only utilized to write off the single-sided error or to rectify the single-sided error. Next, 900 due from a customer were omitted to be taken to the schedule of sundry debtors. It was not included in the sundry debtors, and debtors were reduced, so debtors should be increased. Sundry debtors account debit. To suspense account because it is only in one account it was not taken. One side have been affected. So debtors account debit to suspense account. This is 900 rupees. Fifth item. Goods of the value rupees 3000 returned by a customer. It is sales return. Posted to the debit of the customers who returned the goods. If the customer returned the goods, the entry should be passed sales return account debit to customer account. Customer account should be debited and credited. Sales return account debit to customer account should be credited, but in place of credit the customer, it was debited to customer account. So here we have to credit the customer. This clerical mistake, and that amount is suspense account debit to customer's account. Then how much amount? As rupees 900 is to be credited but wrongly debited in customer's account as 900. So debit amount plus credit amount both should be added, and that is 1800 should be entered to rectify it. Question number 6. Point number 6. Oh, sorry. No. That I have entered wrongly. It is wrong question I read. So let me correct it. First of all, let me correct it. While reading, I missed to read the whole. The goods of the value of 3000 returned by customer were taken to the stock, but no entry was made. No entry was made. This is completely omission. Entry not made, complete omission. So it is double-sided error, and we will pass the 7th entry as sales return account debit to customer account. 3000. Now question number 6. Point number 6 of question number 17. 355 entered the sales return book had been posted to the debit of the customer who returned the goods. Sales return book had been posted to the debit of customer's account. Customer returned the goods, customer account should be credited. Customer account should be credited, but in place of credit the customer it was debited. Then entry should be passed as suspense account debit to customer account. C55, that should be credited in customer's account, but was wrongly debited the customer's account by rupees 355. Then credit amount plus debit amount both should be added. Then it will be written, that is 710 rupees. 710. Now all the rectification have been made. Now it is asked to prepare the suspense account. How to prepare suspense account? See it. Accommodate it. I am preparing upside. In a very small account I will prepare suspense account. debit side and credit side. Particular amount. 1006 was the difference as it is given, but it is not clear whether it was debit balance or credit balance. So we will find it whether it was debit balance and credit balance, but the difference is 1006. Now see, first entry, supplier debit to suspense, we will write here by supplier account. $891. Second, suspense account to discount received. We'll write here to discount received. 75. Here no suspense, here suspense. By certain debtors. $900. Here no suspense, here suspense is there. To customer account. $710. Now see the total of it. Which side is looking good? Great. This side is great. Greater one. This should be total. Now difference is the balance, opening balance. That is 1006. Now today it is called to balance brought down. It was the opening balance already given debit balance. That balance is lying in the debit side. Opening balance amount was given but not given which side it was taken into the suspense account, debit side, credit side. Now we found this debit side. 6511 178 1971. Now the whole errors have been all rectified correctly. This is the one way of rectifying the errors. Now one more question I am going to take. That is question number 21. Question number 21. Rajesh Kumar was unable to reconcile his trial balance as on 31st March 2020 and has opened a suspense account from the difference. Later on the following error was discovered. Number one, there was 3 compensating errors. The total of sales return book was overcast by ₹100. The total of one page of the purchase book was carried forward as 1286 instead of 1826. Goods purchased from C for 400 was debited to his account as 40. These are given. This is said as compensating errors. When these 3 errors, they have compensated to each other. But that is actually single-sided error, because this error, if you take one by one or single one, it is single-sided. But the error has compensated because the items was wrongly entered, posted. So it compensated. All these errors compensated to each other. The first one, see the rectification. Amount debit, amount credit. Particulars. Number one, A total of sales return book was overcast. It is error of casting by 100. Sales return book always be debited. It was overcasted, so to rectify that sales return should be credited. That is called suspense account debit. To sales return 100. B. Total of one page of the purchase book was carried forward as 1286 instead of 1826. This was the wrong. Purchase account should be debited by 1826 but was debited by 1286. There is difference, and that difference is 1826 to 1086. 1286. The difference is 540. 540. Now see how to do it. Purchase account was less debited, so purchase account debit to suspense account. 540. C. Goods purchased from C 400 was debited to his account 40. His account 40. That is, if you are purchasing from C, the C account should be credited, but wrongly it was debited by rupees 400 instead of 440. Debited for 40 instead of 400 should be credited. Now see here, suspense account debit to C's account. That is how much? 360. 440. 440. Amount to be debited, amount to be credited in C's account 400, but wrongly it was debited in C's account 40. Then this was the wrong posting was made, clerical mistake. So credit amount 400 plus debit amount 40 should be added. Now see, in these three, first A, B, C, suspense account debit 100, suspense account debit 440, total 540 debit, suspense account credit 540, so that it is said as compensating error by these three errors. Now the second one, 425 paid for wages to workmen for making office table were debited to wages account. It is error of principle. If wages paid to manufacturer make the office table, that assets is created. So here we will, that entry wages should be paid, that should be added in the cost of the furniture. The furniture account should be debited, but in place of furniture, wages was debited. So correct this entry, double-sided error. Furniture account debit. Furniture account should be debited, and wages should not be debited. To credit it wages account, and this was 425. Third, rent paid 1500 were posted to the credit of rent account 150. Rent paid 1500. It is an expenses, but entered as an income. It is credited. It was credited by rupees 150. The rent should be debited now. The rent account debit to suspense account. With how much amount? 1500 should be debited. 150 was credited wrongly, so both amounts should be added, and this is 1650. Now next is cash received from Ghanshyam 500 were correctly recorded in the cash book. In the debit side it was recorded, but were posted to his account as 50. It was credited in Ghanshyam's account in rupees 50 instead of 500. So less amount was credited. Now credit this one. This is single-sided error. Suspicious account debit. To Ghanshyam. 450. In place of 500, it was created 50. 450 was less credited in it. It is arithmetical error. So 450 should be credited. 720 paid to Kamal has been debited to Kamlesh account. Kamal should be debited by 720, but wrongly Kamlesh was debited by 520. So here Kamal should be debited. Debit the Kamal. Kamal debit 720. Kamlesh should not be debited. He should be credited now. He must be credited now to nullify his account. That is called correction. Now credited it, and it was credited by 520, credited by 520. There is difference of 200. Then here we will write to suspense account 200. Now the total of purchase returned book rupees 2,500 was left unposted. Meaning purchase return account it was not posted. Purchase return account always be created. So here we will write the entry suspense account debit to purchase return. This was partial omission rupees 2,500. Seventh entry. A bills of exchange received from Suresh 300,000 had been returned by the bank as a dishonored and had been credited to the bank and debited to bill receivable account. When a bill receivable dishonored and bill receivable discounted was dishonored, then he passes the entry debtors account debit or dry account debit to bills receivable to bank when bill receivable which was discounted from bank, if that is dishonored, he passes the entry dry account debit or debtors account debit to bank. But here it was credited the bank but bill receivable was debited. There is single-sided error. In place of dry, bill receivable was debited. Correct the entry. Double-sided error. Debtors account debit to bills receivable. Here I am passing this sheet. Debtors or dry account debit to bills receivable. Bill receivable should not be debited because it was already credited. It was already credited to bank. A bank should be credited in place of that one. तो बैंक तो क्रेडिट हुआ, but bill receivable was debited क्योंकि bill receivable आपके हाथ में था ही नहीं. It was discounted from the bank, so it is in the hand of the bank, and bank will charge from the drawing. So debtor account debit to again listen. Bill receivable discounted, dishonored. When it is dishonored, you will pass in your book debtors account debit because you will charge from the debtor and banker will charge from you. Debtors account debit to bank. In place of this entry, the entry was passed as bill receivable account debit to bank. So while correcting it, debtor should be debited and bill receivable should be credited. So this entry we will pass, and this amount was 3,000. These are the subsidiary entries. Now we have to pass the suspense account. We have to prepare the suspense account. Suspense account. Where the suspense account is there, we will write this. And I have to erase this one. I have to erase some portion of it. As I will rectify, I will erase it. Suspense account. See one by one. In the opening, it is written suspense account was opened. Difference was transferred, but how much difference was there? It is not given. So see here, two sales return account, 100, buy purchases 540, two C's account 440. These three I have done. Now look it. I am extending this one now. Here, no single sided. Here, buy rent 1650. Two well shop 450. Buy Kamal 200. Two purchase return 2005. No other items are there. So total it, this side is more 3490. Difference is there, and that is opening balance in the credit side at the beginning. Buy balance brought down, whatever the difference is there, 0 0. $1,100. 1,100 is the difference in the credit side. Now this is the way of rectifying the single-sided error after preparation of trial balance and preparation of suspense account. Now you learn today how to rectify. Do more practice on it, and the next we will learn how to rectify the errors after preparation of final account. Now have a good day. Thank you.